If you may be wondering how can you upgrade to a pro version of Rednote, I'm going to show you where to find this. So click your profile in the lower right hand side, me, click the settings gear next to profile there, and under account security, if you scroll down, you will find upgrade pro. It says not enabled at the moment, but if you tap on that, you have many options here, and this is where you can find information. So if you speak Chinese, I'm sure you'll understand that. Or you can just take your second phone and you can simply scan what this is saying and you can follow the process. Or if you want to take a screenshot as well, you can easily take a screenshot and use the Google Translate on your phone to translate what this is saying. So what I'm gonna do this process. I'm gonna take a screenshot. Let me see if it allows me. And yeah, it allows me to take a screenshot. Then all I'm gonna do is just go ahead and close the note for now, and let me find the translate app on my phone here and just simple tap note. The language is Chinese, so you want to ensure that you find, for example, Chinese, so you can type Chinese and you can choose whichever you want, right? So if it's not yet there, you can simply download those languages and ensure that it's available on your phone. Now, once this is done, guys, you can tap on the Chinese switch and you can simply scan or open the camera or whichever, tap on the picture that you take and click translate. And here you can see immediately that it started to identify what it looks like in this section here in my phone. So as you can see, it shows open store, shows account upgrades, and you scroll down, you have the information here. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you can easily, let's say, understand the languages in the Red Note and you can follow the process to upgrade your account. I know it's a bit of a hoop if you to jump through if you don't speak that particular language, but if you don't, this is the only way you can understand it. Or at least this is my workaround to be able to understand this language here because you cannot change these languages to from Chinese to English in this specific part of the application. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.